Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to be doing a very quick overview of this wonderful app here called Reflector. Now, for those of you that aren't familiar with this app, what Reflector does is it lets you turn your Mac into an AirPlay device. So just like with the Apple TVs that you plug into your HD TV and you connect to your Wi-Fi network, and you can use your iOS devices to push content like videos, photos and whatnot onto your TV, you can now do that with your Mac with this app, Reflector. So what I'm just going to do is a very quick demonstration of it. What I'm going to do right now is start a recording on my iPad mini because it is jailbroken. If you want to see my video covering display recorder, I'll have a link to that in the description below. But as you can see here, this is my iPad mini. What I'm just going to do now is go into my multitasking and turn on AirPlay. And as you can see here, it lists my iMac here as an AirPlay device, and that's all thanks to this Reflector app. So obviously they need to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network for this to work. And so what I'm just going to do now is tap on my iMac, and I've got mirroring enabled. And as you can see here, now my iPad is showing up on my iMac. So if any of you are familiar with AirPlay, it just works like another AirPlay device. So as you can see, I've got whatever's on my iPad mini showing up on my iMac here. So I think that's pretty cool. There is a little bit amount of lag, but I assume that's just because of my Wi-Fi network, maybe. I'm really not too sure. But as you can see here, it is working, you know, as you'd expect it. Everything's showing up just fine. If I were to play music, you know, it would play music through my iMac speakers. I'm not going to do that right now. One thing I did find pretty interesting is that if you go to videos and you try to open up a video and play it, it will actually open up QuickTime on your iMac and play it through QuickTime. So, and I can't really demonstrate that right now because I'm using QuickTime to do my recording. But I just thought that's really interesting. So, as you'd expect, you know, just like any other AirPlay device, just like on an Apple TV, you know, it's just a very simple app, and it does as advertised. So that's that done. I'm just going to turn off AirPlay mirroring and end the recording here. And now I'll just show you very quickly what's up here in the menu. So it's the only screen that you really see is your AirPlay device's screen, and everything else about this app is in the settings, is in the menus up here. So if I click on Reflector, you can see About, check for updates. If you go to your preferences, you can optimize the video feed that comes into your iMac for any of those options there. You can change the name of your iMac. So if you want it to come up on your iPad or your iPhone or whatever device you want to AirPlay with, if you want it to come up as a different name, you can always change that, and you can check that box if you just want it to use your default iMac name. You can set a password, as you can with other AirPlay devices. You can set a password that you need to enter before AirPlay will actually happen. You can have it launch into a full screen view on your iMac as soon as it connects if you want, and there you can just set the color background. Current FPS, I assume that works when you actually have the AirPlay device connected. So just going over some of the other things here, as we've mentioned before, you can also change the frame of the iOS device. So as you can see here, oh, there we go. For some reason, it looks like it's recognized that I've got an iPad mini, so it changed it so it can have the black mini and the white mini skins. That's pretty interesting. I can't actually demonstrate, by the way, I can't actually demonstrate this with my iPhone because using an iPhone 4, it doesn't actually support AirPlay mirroring, so it will only be able to do stuff like push videos and photos and stuff, so I can't actually mirror the whole screen. But other than that, there aren't really many other settings for this app. As I said, it's very small. It does as advertised, and it really doesn't do anything else, which it doesn't really need to. So that's it, just my really quick look at this app, Reflector, which is available for OS X, compatible with Mountain Lion, not too sure about Snow Leopard, but yeah. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe.